Hello guys, what's up? I hope all of you are absolutely fine. In this video I am going to discuss about the specifications of OnePlus 8T. So if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and watch the video until last. So let's get started. So guys, first comes the display part. It has 6.55 inch 20:9 aspect ratio 120Hz fluid AMOLED display which supports sRGB. Now comes the processor part. In processor you will get Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 with GPU Adreno 650 and the building operating systems is Android 11 based on Oxygen OS. In case of RAM and storage, you will get two variants. One is 8GB RAM and 128GB storage and another one is 12GB RAM 256GB storage. Both are UFS 3.1 based storage. Now comes the camera portions. In back camera, the primary camera is 48 megapixels with Sony IMX586 sensor and its aperture is f1.7. Next one is ultra wide angles 16 megapixels f2.2 apertures with 123-degree field view, and another one is macro camera with 5 megapixels, and the last one is monochrome lens with 2 megapixels. In case of front camera, you will get 16 megapixels Sony IMX471 sensor where the aperture is f2.4. Now comes the battery part. In case of power consumptions, you will get 4500 milliampere with 65 watt WAP charge where the smartphone gets charged 60% within 15 minutes. Now comes the price tag. In case of price, the 8GB and 128GB variant cost around about 42,999 and the higher variant, which is 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, is costing about 45,999. In case of color, you will get two color variants. One is lunar silver and another one is aquamarine green. The first sale of this smartphone will start from 17th of October 2020. If you want to buy it, you can go to amazon.in and you can buy it. I hope this video might be helpful to you. For more such videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.